5 quick and healthy breakfast smoothies. Mornings can be hectic, especially when you have a job to go to. It's easy to just grab a box of sugary cereal, pour some milk, and be on your way. It's fast and efficient, right? But cereal isn't the best thing to put in your body, especially first thing in the morning. So keeping this problem in mind, we came up with 5 simple smoothies that you can drink for breakfast. Not only are they packed with all the vitamins and nutrients you need, but they're also tasty and take just a minute to make once you have all the ingredients. Green Power Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach leaves, fresh or frozen, 1 ripe banana, 1/2 cup frozen mango chunks, 1/2 cup frozen pineapple chunks, 1 cup almond milk or your favorite milk. If you're someone who detests eating green veggies, this might be your way of adding healthy smoothies to your diet. Berry Blast Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup orange juice, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon honey. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, these berries will fuel your day and also taste great. Tropical Sunrise Smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 cup frozen mango chunks, 1/2 cup frozen pineapple chunks, 1/2 cup coconut water, 1/2 cup orange juice, 1 tablespoon flax seeds. The mango and pineapple provide a hydrating drink, and the coconut water gives you electrolytes to keep you going. Peanut Butter Banana Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup almond milk, 1 teaspoon honey. This one's for the gym bros. Rich in protein, this smoothie can be a great post-workout meal. Oatmeal Cookie Smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 ripe banana, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 cup almond milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Oats are pretty healthy, but not everyone likes them because of the taste they leave in your mouth. Well, this smoothie will help you gulp it down and also taste good. Plus, the fiber from the oatmeal is a great thing to have. Enjoy these healthy smoothies to start your day right.